Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the page and the tool. First, pin and open the full page screen capture extension icon in Chrome so it's ready. Make sure the page has fully loaded and any lazy images are visible. This prevents blank areas. If the extension asks for permissions, grant tab and screen access so it can stitch images. Once done, close modal dialogues and pause auto-refresh scripts because consistent page state yields a clean, scrollable capture. Now configure capture settings to match your goal. You select full page capture and pick PNG for crisp screenshots or PDF for multi-page documents. Set quality to balance size and clarity. Make sure to enable any options for including fixed headers or footers so layout remains faithful. Click Capture and watch the automated scroll and stitching process. Do not interact with the tab while it runs. If the extension provides progress feedback, wait until it finishes. Finish by saving the output in your preferred format and location. Name the file clearly for future reference. If you see seams, missing sections, or repeated content, increase the scroll delay or image quality, then recapture. This gives dynamic content time to render between steps. If captures still fail, clear the browser cache, disable hardware acceleration, or temporarily disable interfering extensions. Finally, test a short example page to confirm fixes before capturing the full target page.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.